health is definitely a priority for everybody, but nobody takes this as a need and a personal need. So by influencing that, and you make that impact and ensure that they are helping themselves to evolve much better and keep themselves lively, is a journey that we do. Receiving Impact Maker Awards is really very overwhelming for me. It really flashback with whatever efforts that throughout the year we made together as a team, as a collaborator, with a lot of stakeholders around it. It finally made it happen.
Bhavisha has been a great addition to Medibuddy leadership team in the West region. The region was grappling with a lot of concerns from the management perspective. She took this as an opportunity not just to build confidence and gain trust of her team members, but also to deliver this across functions in the organization. Today she leads the largest, high-performing and a very stable team for Medibuddy in the West region.
Childhood has been very exciting as well as challenges. My mom got detected with cancer 26 years back then, and it was like totally shattered. My brother was just 8 years old. A lot of responsibilities at a very early stage in my life. I always wanted to be a doctor. Because of these things, I couldn't, and I started my career with banking when I did my expertise in banking and finance, and then I started there. I always had that I am not able to do what I want to. It is the purpose of meeting people's necessities or helping them at the ground level was missing. When emotional health, when I started getting the purpose. Eventually I evolved with the physical health, and when I joined Medibuddy, it was a larger purpose that I am solving right now with the organization's vision. Makes me feel proud that one bit of a healthcare segment that I couldn't do, but I am able to replicate in many fold now.
What she's managed to create is leaders and influencers within her team that can manage the other accounts which have the capability to grow in the coming times.
I was reading something and I bounced to this quote from Henry Ford, which says, "Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success." So all three put together, you make it a comprehension of having a rocking team who start performing, who start believing in themselves. It has to be a lot of trust that you build within your team. It doesn't come in easy, but yes, when you start developing that humbleness, the transparency that you bring in with the team, talk to them openly without any biases, and give them the freedom to make mistakes. It's fine to make mistakes, everybody learns from it. We bond well, we talk to each other. Usually it's the lunchtime when we sit together, we talk to each other on personal and professional lives. A lot of support, enhancement that happens, cross-Medibuddy team.
What's really unique about her is the calmness that she has in all kind of difficult situations that we may face in our day-to-day life. She is not just a boss, I would say. She's a friend, she's a mentor, she's a confidant, and I think it's really great working with her.
I was into a break when I was taking care of my kids. They were growing up, and they were very tender in age. A lot of people came in that, okay, you've taken a lot of break in your career, and now how will you get a job? But I knew what I had to do, and that time it really meant a lot to me to invest in my kids, and I'm really proud of what they are today.
तो मम्मा हमेशा बोलती है टू डेयर टू डू चैलेंजिंग थिंग्स, कुछ आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, कुछ आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट जोन करने के लिए.
मम्मा के बारे में ये अच्छा लगता है कि वो हम लोग को एनकरेज करते हैं क्रिएटिव रहने के लिए. और चीज़ें जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है उनका खाना, वो सिर्फ मुझे ही नहीं बाकी सबको भी अच्छा लगता है.
बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज है मम्मा हमारे वर्क वगैरह के स्टिकी नोट्स लगाती है दीवार पे, जो टास्क खत्म करना है वो साइन करके ऑफिस जाती है.
I think balance is not about time management. It is about boundary management. When you set your boundaries right and you have your prioritizations right, and that's how it works.
She juggles her activities very well, So while she's aware of what is happening at office, workplace, from home, vice versa, she's aware of what is happening at home when she's in office. She's quite vulnerable, quite sensitive as a person, So at times she is cribbing and complaining, but the next day she's back on her feet with a brave face and a fighting spirit, and that keeps her rolling, I believe, and that's an inspiration for me as well.
Failures are imperative part of life, and whenever I feel that there is a failure or a challenge coming in, I always like to pause and reflect what exactly went wrong. Try to enhance my lenses towards the issues that I see, or the challenges that I come in, or the failures that I've been through, for me to solve them and evolve as a better person. Receiving Impact Maker Award is really very overwhelming for me. Really means a lot. For me, everybody is an impact maker day in, day out. When you talk to a colleague, try to solve their personal problems wherever they are. Everybody at Medibuddy is contributing to some kind of an impact every day, while somebody is waiting for a report which gets uploaded it like within time, the appointment getting confirmed, somebody getting assisted for a surgery. Everybody is not looked at as a client per se. They are lives that we are dealing with. I want to really take Medibuddy to the global standards where we are world's largest health tech company. There is a lot of work to be done. This is just the beginning. The vision to make high quality healthcare accessible to 1 billion people is larger than any one of us. It's a path that unites us, drives us all. I'm honored to be part of this monumental task. I'm proud to be in this ecosystem, and I truly believe that my team and I are making a real impact, an impact that matters for the greater good and the brighter future. I can't wait to see what's coming up next.